Okay, welcome to skyVac House again and another top tip video from us. Today I'm going to introduce our new half pole to you, but how do you use it? You know, sometimes when you're gutter cleaning, you want to have your flexi hose at about this sort of level. That's nice and comfortable just there. But sometimes the building may lend itself so that your flexi hose is just a little bit too high, and this becomes all cumbersome and in the way because it's heavy. Trouble you've got is if you cannot fit another full length pole in this gap. However, what you can do with our new half pole is sit it in there. Then put your flexi hose on there and you're back to the perfect height again. Now that's all fine with this configuration. We haven't got the vac release pole fitted just here. Obviously, if you've got a vac release pole, that's always got to be your bottom pole. So what I would suggest you do is fit your half pole here, like that. Then have your vac release pole here. Then you're back up to the perfect height, plus your vac release valve is in position so you can reach it. Okay, so I think the half pole is a neat little tool for setting your poles up to the perfect configuration depending on what building you're working on.